So you've decided to take your cold plunge to the next level. You're moving away from ice, you're adding a chiller, a pump, and a pre-filter. You have a couple options when it comes to doing the plumbing for this. You have braided vinyl hosing, or you have PVC spa hose. You could even use PVC non-flexible hose, but I like this because of its flexibility. So let's get you a quick overview of the difference of the two. So this vinyl braided hose, it's extremely flexible, it's extremely durable, and it's very thick. This is a 3/4 inch hose, and for this you're gonna use hose barb fittings that go into the hose, and once you fully insert them, you're gonna use a hose clamp to tighten it down. Once you build this system out, you'll have a number of fittings that attach, and when you're using these fittings to connect to either the union or the chiller or the pump, you're going to use PTFE tape to secure it on top of the fitting itself. So this is a very flexible, very modular system. You can take this thing completely apart and put it all the way back together again, and it'll work just fine. Now, that said, there are some failure points with this. If you don't have the hose barb fully seated, if you don't tighten the hose clamp enough, or if you tighten it too much. Believe it or not, tightening it too much can help cause leaks in the system. So you have some failure points here, but it is a very flexible system. You can fix anything that goes wrong with it relatively quickly. So this system is set up with 2 unions that attach to the tub itself. This is the white parts, and then fittings that go into this vinyl tubing. This is all set up with standard 1-inch hose clamps. In this system, I have a pre-filter, a pump, and a chiller. You can add things like an ozone generator or even a GE whole house filter. All right, so that's this system. Very easy. Anybody that can play with Legos can put this together. It's not super complicated. Moving over to the PVC option. This is a little bit next level. I wouldn't consider it better necessarily, but it is a little bit more professional. So this is PVC spa hose, also very flexible. And I said earlier, you can use regular PVC, but it just becomes a bit rigid, and anything that you do to bump or move the system could cause an issue with the fittings. So with this spa hose, you're gonna use standard 3/4 inch PVC fittings, and these aren't just simply slip fit. You need to use a cement. Now, you can either use the cleaner and cement version. This is a fusion single step, and it is a permanent fitting on there. Once you do that, you cannot remove it. You can cut it out, but you cannot undo this. The benefit of that is these are pretty much bomb proof as long as you do the fitting and gluing properly. Whereas this vinyl tubing, you could get leaks depending on how you put the hose clamps and the barbs together. This, it's pretty much set it and forget it. So I'll take you through the system here. I have used a lot of different fittings, and they're very similar to the vinyl. So you're gonna use 90 degrees. Here I've got some shutoff valves and some unions, but you'll see there's no clamps, there's no hose clamps on this at all. These are just all glued together. So very much like the other system, you can take this apart and move it around. This obviously doesn't have water in it, but you can see once you detach this, there is some flexibility to it to be able to move it around, and it's not very rigid. So this is a little bit next level. You shouldn't wind up with any leak issues on this. The only potential leak areas are where you're using PTFE tape, for instance, where it's connected to the chiller, or PTFE tape where it's connected to the tub itself. And then one more of those is the pump and pre-filter. But all the joints in between the hose are glued in place. All right, so this spa hose, sometimes you can find it locally, but you can get it at DIYcoldplunge.com. He actually sells a complete kit that's ready to go. It's all the fittings pre-cut and done for you. So all you have to do is piece them together and put together your system. The other one, I have set of plans. I'll link them below in the description, where you can build this entire system using the vinyl braided hose. You can buy it at Lowe's or some of the other places, but I'll have links to all of that in the description, as well as a set of handy dandy plans.